Hello everyone, welcome to the show. I hope you are doing well. In our previous episode, we talked about molecules and their formulas. Today, we are going to talk about molecular mass and most interesting topic, mole concept. This is gonna fun. Let's begin the show. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic mass of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. To calculate molecular mass, we simply add the masses of all the atoms in the molecule. For example, to calculate the molecular mass of H2O, we will write masses of all the atoms of the molecule and sum them up. As masses of hydrogen is 1 and the total number of hydrogen in the molecule is 2. Hence, total mass of all the hydrogen atom in the molecule is 1 into 2 is equal to 2. The mass of oxygen is 16 and the total number of oxygen in the molecule is 1. Hence, the total masses of the oxygen molecule is 16. That's how net mass of H2O molecule will be 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. To calculate the molecular mass of HNO3, simply we will write the masses of all the substituent atoms in the molecule. As for mass of hydrogen is equal to 1, mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 and the mass of oxygen is equal to 16 into 3 atoms of oxygen is equal to 48. Hence, net mass of HNO3 molecule will be 1 plus 14 plus 48 is equal to 63 joule. So this is how we calculate the molecular mass. The another concept is formula unit mass of a substance. Formula unit mass of a substance is the sum of atomic mass of all the atoms in a formula unit of compound. It is calculated in the same way as we calculate the molecular mass. The term formula unit is used to indicate that the constituent particles of the molecules are ion. For example, to calculate the formula unit mass of sodium chloride, similarly as molecular mass, we will calculate the mass of all the ions in the molecule and add all the masses together, as mass of sodium ion is 23 joule and mass of chlorine ion is 35.5 joule. Hence, net mass of the molecule is 23 plus 35 is equal to 58 joule. To calculate the formula unit mass of calcium chloride, similarly we will calculate the masses of every ion of the molecule and sum them together. As mass of calcium is 40 and mass of chlorine is 71, hence formula unit mass of calcium chloride is 111 joule. So this was about molecular mass and formula unit mass. Let's move to our another topic, which is mole concept. The word mole was introduced around 1896 by William Ostwald. He derived this term from Latin word mole, meaning heap or a pile. The unit mole was accepted in 1967 to provide a simple way of recording a large number of atoms and a molecule in a sample. Molecule was concepted as a fixed amount of quantity, as 1 dozen is concepted for 12 quantities and 1 gross is concepted for 144 quantities. Similarly, 1 mole is concepted for 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 quantities. Besides being related to number, a mole has 1 mole advantage over dozen and gross. That is, the mass of 1 mole of a particular substance is also fixed. As we know, due to being very small particles, the concept of atomic mass unit was introduced to calculate the mass of atoms. Hence, atoms and molecules are being calculated in AMU or U. To establish a relation between atomic mass unit and gram, the mole concept was introduced. The relation is x joule of a particle is equal to x gram of that particle into 1 mole of the particles. This relation can be simplified in examples as, for hydrogen atom, 1 joule of hydrogen atom has 1 atom and 1 gram of hydrogen atom has 1 mole of hydrogen atom, which is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, for oxygen atom, 16 joule of oxygen atoms has 1 atom, and 16 gram of oxygen atom has 1 mole of hydrogen atom, which is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. Of course, this concept asks for some attention, but it is not that complicated as is myth among students. For conversion purpose, given formula is much enough. In the end of this video, let's talk about 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. It is known as Avogadro number and represented by N naught. This is an experimental value and proposed by an Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro. So, that's all for today. For more information about this or any episode of the series, check out the blog. Link is in the description. We have additional contents, further readings and transcripts of every show. If you value the show and educational resources and wanna help keep it going, subscribe the channel and also subscribe our blog. Or alternatively, you can like, comment and share the show. It may be just a click for you, but every little bit adds up. Thank you for coming to the channel and watching the video. I hope you love the show.